Ginita ko eh. Recognition ni Ate Biel.
Friends, pwede daw na makahula ko bangko sa mga classmates na.
Powerful kaibigan sa Ginoo, makakabatungin mo kung ayaw mo niya kinabuhi pag-abot sa panahon. Pero kapag pinagdogalan mo ni mama o ni papa, ni lolo o ni lula, posible yun, kaligyan mo tabangan sa Ginoo. Isa may naligustong tabangan sa Ginoo, basta mo. Isa may gustong tabangan sa Ginoo, ito mga bata.
Si ate nag-prepare para sa dance.
Nado Ako Award, Artistic Hand Award, Honest Kid Award, Batang Pasigasig Award, Star Scout Kid Award, at Win Honors. Salumi Atina, Batang Magalang Award, Batang Maasahan Award, Star Leader Award, Ninang Teacher Award, The Twin Maria Sizing, Damko Ray Cyrus, Eager Beaver Award, and Cheerful Soul Award. Bolero Alexander Pulido, Great Beaver Award, Friendly.
She also received an award for Christine, Eager Beaver, Star Scout, Batang Maasahan. Her parents will also receive an award in her classroom as supported parents, Mrs.
Achiever Pupil, Chloe Grace S. Buladas, Star Scout of the Year, Star Minor, and Achiever.
Dong. Hawa na mo dabi, hawa mo dia. Hawa mo dia. Ayaw mo dia.
What?
You said that was the greatest show ever.
Wow. What, Sarpi?
Pwede na ko mag-this.
Oh, let's go.
Meritorious pupils of grade 4 Rizal. Wait.
Ate.
Donkey Kong!
What?
Donkey Kong! Si Mama!
Ate has medal. You have medal and ribbons. Congratulations.
This is a medal.
Congratulations.